Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to be talking about a few different websites that you can use to earn $100 per day. Hey, what's going on, guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about a few different methods that you can use to make $100 per day working online. But before I get into that, I just want to first take the time to welcome you guys to my channel. And if you're interested in learning different methods to make money online, then I invite you to subscribe to my channel. And also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload new videos. And if you're interested in my personal recommendation when it comes to making money online, you can check out the link in the top of the description. So with that out of the way, I'm just going to get right into it. So the first method that you can use to make $100 per day is through a website called Tex Broker. Now, for those of you who are in the United States, you can take advantage of this website. As of right now, this is only offered in the US. So if you're somebody who lives outside of the United States, I'm going to talk about different websites in a minute. But with this website, Tex Broker, what it is sort of like a middleman for people who are looking to have articles written for them so that they can use in their business. So what Tex Broker does is it posts up all the articles that people want to have written for them. And you, as an author, can choose which articles that you want to accept. Now, the way that payment works for this website is that you get paid based off of your writing skill. So the more skilled you are at writing, the more that you get paid per word. Now I'm going to go over to my computer screen for a minute to give you guys a better understanding of what I'm talking about. Okay guys, so as you can see, this website uses a star rating system. So if you have a 3-star rating, then you get paid 1 cent per word. And if you have a 4-star rating, that means you get paid 1.4 cents per word. But I want you guys to take a look at how much Tex Broker pays you if you have a 5-star rating. So as you can see, you get paid 5 cents per word, which doesn't really sound like a lot, but when you're writing a 1,500 word article, it really starts to add up. Now I know what you guys are thinking. How do I get a star rating? Well, I'm glad you asked. And if you didn't, I'm going to tell you guys anyways. So to get your star rating, you have to first submit a writing sample to Tex Broker. And then they're going to grade your writing sample and give you a star rating. Now this usually takes a couple of business days. Now the reason why they pay so much for a 5-star rating is because most people aren't writing at this level. And most likely, if your writing skills are like mine, then you'll get somewhere around a 3-star rating. And that's alright, because you can always improve your writing skills. You can easily earn $100 per day if you're willing to put in the work with this method. So the next way that you can earn $100 per day is through freelancing. So this is just offering a service and getting paid for it. So you can make money with freelancing through websites like Fiverr and Upwork. So the most common services that are offered on these websites are video editing, web development, and graphic design. But there's also a whole bunch of other services that are offered here. So people who offer these services charge anywhere between $5 to a couple of $100. It all depends on what the service is. So what I recommend when you're first getting started with these freelancing websites is to offer your service for a cheap price. Maybe somewhere between $20 to $50, depending on what your service is. So as you start to get customers and people are satisfied with your service, that's when you can start to raise your prices up little by little. Because people who have hired you for a service before know the quality of work that you provide, and they don't mind paying a couple of extra dollars. So when you start to make more and more clients, it's easy to make $100 per day just through freelancing. So the next method that I want to talk about is by selling stock photos. So if you've ever done a Google image search before, then you've probably seen a photo that has a watermark on it. And when you click on that photo, you have the option to buy that photo without the watermark if you want to use it. So if you're somebody who likes to take a lot of pictures, then I recommend going with this method. And a great website to sell stock photos is called Shutterstock. So the way that this website works is when you sign up to become a contributor, you upload your photos, and if people want to use your photo, they have to pay for the rights in order to be able to use it. And whenever somebody buys the rights to use your photo, that's when you start to make royalties. But with Shutterstock, it's not only limited to photos. You can also upload vector art, stock footage, and even music. So anytime somebody wants to buy the rights to use any of your content, that's when you collect royalties. But what I recommend when uploading photos is to focus on a certain niche where those photos are in demand. Such as the fitness niche, you can take photos of people working out, or such as the business niche, where you can take pictures of computers, businesses, and other stuff like that. So when you have a steady amount of people regularly buying the rights to use your photos, you can easily earn $100 per day. So the last way that you can earn $100 per day is through affiliate marketing. So with this method, you can easily earn money by simply referring people to a certain product and having them purchase that product through a specific link. So let's say, for example, that I'm reviewing this camera lens right here, and I just tell you guys that anybody who's looking to take professional photos and videos should get this camera lens. And then I go on talking about all the features that it has, and I give you guys the option to buy the lens by clicking on a specific affiliate link. And most likely that link will take you to an Amazon product. So if you were to click on that link and buy this camera lens, then I would make a commission from that. That's what affiliate marketing is. So the most common affiliate programs are Amazon Associates and ClickBank. So with affiliate marketing, you can easily earn $100 per day. The thing with affiliate marketing is that you have to create content on a regular basis. So this either means creating videos about the product that you're promoting or writing about it in a blog. You can also run paid ads for your affiliate offers, but I'll talk about that in another video. So the way to become really successful and earn 6 figures a year is that you have to understand marketing. So if you're looking to learn how to market and have access to a success coach that's going to guide you in the right directions to earn money online, then you can check out the link in the top of the description. Well, I hope you guys got some value out of this video here today. And if you guys enjoyed it or learned something new, don't forget to hit the thumbs up. And also let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought about these methods. So that's pretty much it for this video. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.